California.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Sky Rider Collective YouTube channel. In front of us, we have the Hot Wheels Silver Series Pontiac set. Let's go ahead and get on into it. Now, what we're looking at is the Hot Wheels Silver Series Pontiac set. Now, this is actually the Pontiac 100th anniversary set put out by Hot Wheels. It was actually put out at a pretty good time, late 2025, early 2026. So you can still find these on your store pegs. These are Walmart exclusives, but they do have international cards on them. So you can see they have different case codes and all the different languages and the 0 to 3, no kids. And there's more of the different languages and things. So international cards. There is a chase in this set, one per box. So like I said, this is to help celebrate Pontiac's 100th anniversary. General Motors debuted Pontiac on January 3rd, 1926 at the New York Auto Show as an affordable companion to the Oakland line. And the rest is history. These cars are very iconic and well known. As you guys probably know, Pontiac was discontinued. So it's really cool to get a Pontiac set like this to celebrate the 100th anniversary. So they're numbered 1 through 5. The first one is number 1, 84 Pontiac Firebird in a gray color with blue glass. So we got a fire chicken right there on the hood. Like a gray metal flake paint. Taillight decos. And we also have some decos on the front there. Pretty decent wheels and a plastic base. Now here we have number 2 of 5, 06 Pontiac GTO in yellow. Now these do all have really cool card arts, and I really do like this 06 Pontiac GTO. So we got a nice yellow Pontiac GTO here. Headlight decos and grille and a Pontiac emblem there. And I'll also be doing close-ups at the end of this video of them all. But we got a Hot Wheels logo right there. And we have some wheel well headers come out there. Got a wheelie bar and a chute there. Taillight decos. Really nice looking car. Here we have number 3 of 5. A 65 Pontiac Bonneville in a really nice color. Now this color is known as Iris Mist, and it was only offered in 1965. So that's really cool that they put it on this Hot Wheel. And I'm really sucking it open in these ones. Guess it's just been a while since I cracked open some cars. But like I said, Iris Mist is the color, I do believe, only offered in 1965. So it's really cool that they have it on this car. Really nice color. Taillight decos. It does have headlight decos as well. Blue glass, tan interior, and plastic base. And I don't know if I mentioned that the GTO also has plastic base. Now we have a car that I really like, and I have some of these that are older in my collection. The 70 Pontiac GTO Judge. This is number 4 of 5 in the set. Really nice looking car. Really nice looking green color, especially once it's out of the pack. So there we go. Really nice green. You can see the metal flake in there with the sparkles. Got a wing on the back, taillight decos, as well as just a black for the plate. Try to get it to clear up, but it says the Judge on the fenders there. I don't think it's gonna clear up so you can see it, but decos on the front there. There is nothing in for the grill. The grill is just recessed back there. You can see the radiator. A really nice plastic base as well. And onto the chase, the 66 Pontiac GTO, number 5 of 5 in the Hot Wheels Silver Series. So this chase is 1 per case. I'm not sure how many comes in a case. I've never opened a case. Never even opened a case of regular Hot Wheels. So I'm always late to the party. So this was found on the pegs. Pontiac GTO 66, 5 of 5. Now, why is it a chase? It's a chase because I believe the metal base, again, this was at when they debuted it at, I believe, Diecast SuperCon. They said that this was the chase. So it's in a red color. Let's go ahead and crack this one. So gloss red. Really nice looking red. GTO back here. Pontiac and taillight decos and headlight decos on that grill. And here's the base. 66 Pontiac GTO and plastic wheels. So if they're gonna do chases, I just wish they would at least put rubber wheels on it. I don't really care about Spectre Flame paint. On some I do like it, but on others, you know, I just wish they would do something a little different for the chase. But apparently there was 1 per case of this car. So I guess every single one in the case is a chase when it comes to this car. So that's all I have for you guys on this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed taking a look at these cars with me. Really happy I was able to find this set. If you're new to the channel and you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so and hit that notification bell to come back and see us next time. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. like, and subscribe.